Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing good. Welcome to a new session with us, the Financial Eagles team. Hello, Miguel.
Hello, Lama. Hello, everyone. Hello, guys. Okay, just I need uh to share the screen, bus. If you give me access, please.
يلا أكيد. Okay.
Um, Okay, so let's start, guys, with the S30. As you were saying about yesterday, this push that it made, it's doing a lot of manipulation before the break. Okay, if on the like the daily, that's technically a great trade. Okay, but look at this wick, the big wick it did. If you want to take it as swing. Okay, so for the swing, what I prefer now to do, like a retrace, I need a retracement. Surely I need a retracement. I will put my Fibonacci from this area to this area. Okay, 1 second. Okay. I need a retracement, okay, to those levels, at least to this area, okay, over here, like the break before, look at this. Okay, look at this area, over this, over here, over here, over here. Okay, and now it broke this. So I need a bigger retracement as a swing to be taking it. Okay, as intraday on the 4 hours, if it like pushed down again to this level to take it as intraday, okay, like the first target will be if it like pushed down and made a reversal on this area, okay, on the resistance that it like it was broken, okay, you will like the buy will be over this area. Your target is like the same high again. Okay. We are pushing like bullish, so bullish, if you can see. Okay. So the break of this area again, even it might push it more up. Okay. So when we catch the trade from this area, if it did it like technically great, I'm going in from here. Okay. So your first target, look, that's your full TP, and you can leave a runner because the break of this area will push it more. Okay, so for now, this is like I'm gonna wait, honestly. I'm not taking any more buys, even if it's gonna continue. The Dow is crazy, it might do it, but I want like those retracements. Look at this. Okay, so I need a bigger retracement because at some point it's gonna retrace. So I need that retracement to go in. Okay, not taking it from the high line because if you can see the Dow, if you took your buy over here, your stop loss under the 4 hour candle, that's 181 pip. Okay, so for the swing, taking it from here and risking 180 pip, I don't take it as swing. Okay, even intraday. Intraday, you can scalp it. I go for scalp, yes, but not taking it as a position. Okay, so that's for the buy. For the sell, I'm gonna wait now. No sells until I see like this push, like a push down, a lower high. Okay, high, lower high it formed, and then a push back down. Then here I see the reversal over this area, like after always, like after a push down, wait for it. Okay, wait for like to see a reversal again to go down with the sell because we are bullish. So always be more strong with your buys and be careful more for your sells. Okay, so that's for the S30. We go for the gold. The gold even that's a great bullish push. Look at this area, guys. The break of this area. Broke it, it reversed, and then it broke it. We talked about last week that it break this area, it's gonna push it. Like that's the first target, and it's gonna continue. Might like retest even the last highs, the all-time high. Okay. So even for the gold, for now, I'm gonna wait for the buys. Over this area, it can be taken as a buy here to go with it, but let's see how the like the volume will be. Okay, let's wait a close because look at those 4 hour candles. The first 4 hours, the second 4 hour, the third 4 hour, like that's a bad volume to be trading in, honestly. Okay, so over this here, look, you can see it as it's kind of forming a flag. It's still in the flag. Okay, bullish push. Look at this. a push, a retracement, push. Those are retracements. And then a push back, and then look at this retracement. That's again a push, but look at this without a wick, one way. And the market is being manipulated, especially because of Trump, because like fundamental. Okay, but there is a lot of manipulation. If you see, look at those 1 hours. How like the wicks, I don't trade those areas. I love a break of a strong area. Okay. So for now, for the gold to take buy, I'm gonna wait even for a retracement. For sure, I'm gonna wait a retracement. Okay. But let's see how much the retracement will be. Like it's better and more safe. If you take it from this area, you need to follow it as intraday to be securing it, following the trade and securing with it. Okay, because look at this big push. Let's see the break. Always those breaks after a big push and small retracement, you can risk them in a like lower percentage of risk. Okay, so the break of this, it might push it with a clean traffic. Look at this clean traffic. That's very like a huge clean traffic, guys. From 2,764 to 2,790. Okay, so we still have a big push, but for this big push, I prefer a bigger retracement to be taking it as swing. You take it and you don't be like, uh, you don't need to follow it. If you catch it like with it was a good reversal in the lows. Okay, and the highs, you need to follow it always. Okay, so that's for the buy. For the sell, I'm gonna wait even for the sells. Let's see this area over here. Let's go 1 hour to see it. Yeah, so that's a strong area, if you can see all this area. Okay, if like for the sell, I need a break or a close over here, and then a new candle like to be pushing. Okay, but not one way, not one way. Or if we broke this, and then you see it like a retracement. Okay, and then pushing back down, you can take it as sell. But be careful, the sell, the flag is not for the sell. That's a bullish push. We had the flag for the bullish move, a continuation pattern. Okay, so for the sell, I'm taking it as market structure. Okay, you wait a close over this area, or if it break and then it like retraced a bit and then pushing back down, that's great. Okay, we will see how the momentum will be. Okay, guys, that's for the gold. We go for the euro. Let's see the euro still. It did look at this area here we talked about, like it did the push. That's a great push. So now again, if we break this area and go like it's gonna be going for the sell. Okay, it depends on the close, not one candle. I never take one candle, or even if you see small daily candles pushing one way, one way to this, you don't take it. You wait a retracement because from this area, it might push back up. Okay, and it might form kind of inverted head and shoulders, as you can see. Let me put it. Okay, look at this. So if it pushed down, it hit this area and then retraced back again. So if you see a reversal here, that's a good area to be taking with a buy. Okay, with a good close for sure. Okay, that's as intraday. Okay, so you take it from this area, okay, and then you leave runners. You keep your runners because if
I think the internet of Miguel was cut. Miguel, he's back. He's not here. Okay, so look at this inverted head and shoulders. Of course, like after
oh,
forming
hello
this.
guys.
Yes.
Yeah, just give me 1 second.
Continue.
Welcome,
You are
welcome.
changing.
But
Mhm.
to put my second screen and not like
It's okay.
welcome to Lebanon.
Yeah, they are always welcome.
Yeah. Okay, so let's continue about this. So if we catch it from this area as intraday, okay, my mindset in this trade over here, it's gonna be intraday. Always, you need to follow the market, guys. From this area, I'm gonna be taking it as swing trade. Okay, we had a big push. Look at the weekly. We talked about the sell from this area, and look at this push, guys. That's one way. So even if this weekly candle it closed over here and then the new weekly like pushed, made a wick and breaking, that's gonna be a great sell opportunity to take it over here. Okay, at least to this area again, like 400, 300, 200. Yeah, for sure that's the first where you secure. Okay, and then you go with it. Look at this area, 160 pips, and go with it. You leave runners. If it did again retrace, reversed, sorry. Okay, and then pushing back down. But for the sell to take it as a swing, I need again, I will wait for sure, not from and here, it's not going to be a swing. Here it's going to be intraday, taking it over here. Okay, and then you leave it. And it might reach that's 80 pip, okay, and then you leave it. If it continues as a runner, that's amazing. Put your targets like it's still bearish, still in a bearish trend, okay, but we had a big push. So if this candle closed that big body bullish and the new one opened break down and pushing back up, it's going to be an amazing buy opportunity. Okay, over here. Okay, guys, so this is for the euro. We go for Bitcoin. Look at this break, guys. Look at this. We talked last week even. We had a push, okay? We had a hit on this trend line and then it pushed back down. You remember this area? We put it the first. I put it the first time, like 1, 2 hits. That's the third hit. It hit it, it retraced. Okay, so your buys was amazing breaking this one again, especially Bitcoin is like pushing bullish. Okay, that's for me 4 hours. Okay, look at this push. Here we still in a bullish trend. We pushed, we break this area again, and then look at this retracement. Then again, that's a pushback. That's a great push. Those trades, you can be taking it as intraday from this area, and then your stop loss over here, and you leave it. Okay, but for sure you secure, not like you will be securing. You will put those areas over here. Okay, then here it goes up. It pushed back down. Look at this reversal candles, 4 hour. That's another opportunity to buy. And then one way. Look at this big push again. Retraced and then like it pushed back. It retested this high. Look, that's what I say. That's why if you take your trade here, when it reached this area, you secure. That's why how I was explaining in the other pairs. Okay, so it hit, look at this, it retested the same high and then pushed back down. If you took it here, you secured here. If it reversed on you, you're safe. Okay, and your trade, even if it was from this area, you're safe. From this area, you're safe. Okay, and look at this reverse, one big push. Look at this reversal candle. It hit exactly the trend line, guys, exactly here where it retraced. And then look at this reversal. That's intraday again. You take it from this area, you secure on this highs again. Okay, that's $3,700 in Bitcoin. And it kept pushing one way. It reached all-time high. And look at this, the reversal. That's technical, guys. Reversal candle, then breaking back down. Look, again, retested this area. Look at this push. So here over this area, we don't have big volume, like now on the 4 hours. Okay, so inside this area now, I wait for it. I don't trade inside this here. Okay, unless I see a good reversal close. Okay, like I need a good reversal close here, as you can see. Look at this push on the daily retracement. Look at this candle, then a big body candle closed bullish. So let's see again on the daily the break of this here. Like I prefer this area, like all this area, okay? Because we are on all-time high. So taking it as swing, you can start it from here, okay, the previous daily. But this daily, if it closed this way, we will look at like the tomorrow. If the daily open breakdown and then breaking, you start intraday taking it from this areas, 1,000, 100,007. Okay, but that's gonna be a riskier trader to take it from here. Okay. So let's follow the market. That's a great push. That's a great retracement as a bullish reversal. So let's see. Okay, so this is it for me. We go.
Thank
Joseph.
you, Miguel. I will do first. Where is Norman? Okay, يلا no man after me, then Lydia, because I'm gonna be fast.
All the traders, all the financial traders are here. Hello, guys.
Exactly, all the financial, like I want to say eagles, but yeah, the alpha traders. Exactly. Tonight, only Joseph is not with us. He told me that he will not be able to make it on time. It's not a problem. Please don't lose. Please, this is the trade. I'm taking it. Unfortunately, it's like يعني it was about to hit the stop loss. Hopefully not. I will leave this trade overnight. I had all the confirmations that the trade is going up. Unfortunately, it went up and started going down. I can't do anything about it. I will send in few after the session that I will keep the trade, even like if it's gonna like cost me swaps, but I believe it's gonna go up. Mainly if it hit the stop loss, it's fine. It's only 1% or 0.5%. It depends on your risk management. If not, it will the next day we can take another trade. So hopefully it will not hit the stop loss because you are a few pips away from the stop loss to hit. Okay, so for the GU, we are moving up. We are reversing and going up. And I believe it's gonna go up for around like 40 to 60 pips. Unfortunately, as I mentioned, once we took the trade, it started moving down. This is something that we cannot do anything about it. So on the 4 hours, I have like nothing to add. For the USD CAD, we are still stagnating in this area unless we break one of the resistance or support line, the key levels, we will be able to either take the buy or the sell. It's still stagnating. Look, it went down, 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 then went up, then went down. يعني it's a yo-yo. Okay, so I cannot trade in this area. For me, nothing to add. So for the people who are taking the GU with me, I will leave it overnight until tomorrow. If it hits the stop loss, then it hits the stop loss. Today it wasn't a good day in trading, so I can't do anything about it. This is it for me. I will move to Muhammad.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Okay, everyone. Let's see gold, how I would like to take trades. Excuse me. Okay, let me remove all those things. On the daily basis, we are looking as gold has been bullish, right? We have support over here, just as Miguel explained just now. Okay. On 4 hour, as we looking, we have support over here. Breaking of this support, we can look for buys to reach this level. Before reaching, we have internal resistance. Okay, internal resistance. We can go up to 2775 if it breaks, right? On looking at 1 hour, as it is same for the support and for the resistance, we have this and we have resistance over here and we have resistance over here. On 30 minutes, as it is same, but we got lots of wicks over here. I'm just gonna avoid these wicks because when wicks is going to happen, it damages the market structure. So let's keep our support over here, right? Even if I take trade over here, breaking of this level, we have very small range. Looking at this support, it's very small. I don't want to risk for 15 pips for 400 pips. It's bigger, the loss and profit is less. I just don't want to take that trade. For tomorrow, what I'm looking for this trade is I'm looking for breaking of this level. I can look for buys, and breaking of this level, I can look for sells. but we have support till here. Let me measure this range. Yeah, it's 30 pips range. We can afford it. But if you look for cells in this range, we have very small 70 pips range. That's not enough. That's not enough, right? I'm just looking for buys 2761, breaking of this level, and for the cells 2746, breaking of this resistance. Okay, what just happened today? I'm going to explain what just happened today. I was looking for on London session, what just I was looking for buys breaking of this level. I didn't stay to this time. I just closed my chart and went away. This was the best trade I would like to take it. Where I would take this trade as, okay, breaking of this wick, I'm going to take this trade, and this will be my stop loss. First my stop loss would be this, and next my stop loss would be this for this wick, right? This is what was the best trade I would take it to this range, like 40 pips range on London session. I would take it. Okay, on New York session, we missed this trade because coming late to the screen, we have support over here. It created support, support and resistance. It was ranging. It broke this support. Resistance. I would look for cells. See, it closed in this range. I would look for cells breaking of this wick, and my stop loss would be this. See, it went down to this resistance. Again 40 pips. We missed 2 trades today. That's okay. After I was waiting for this trade, but it didn't. We did not got enough volume for that. That's okay. Let's see tomorrow what happens. I hope you understand my language. So
Thank you, Norman. Yes, we understand. Thank you for sharing. Okay, so we still have Lydia.
Yes, good evening, everyone. Okay, so for silver, I'll be showing you first the monthly time frame. As you can see here, we are in a bullish movement for silver now, and I'll go for the weekly time frame so you can see it clearly. Okay, so mainly this is the trend line for the weekly time frame. And as you can see here, this is another trend line. So we're going up for silver. So I'll go for the daily time frame. I'll be focusing on the Elliott wave that is in purple. Okay, it's more on the weekly to monthly time frame. As you can see, we have finished wave 5 and the correction of wave 5, and now we're going into wave B. So mainly what I'm looking for as swing trades is the break of this resistance going up, but I need a little retracement. I'm gonna wait for this close of today's candle. We should be retracing a bit down before going up. And if I wanna take it on the daily, this is also a trend line to be considered since it hit it 1, 2, and like almost 3 times. Okay, before it's gonna do the move up. So I think we're gonna go down, retest this trend line before we do the push up. So on 4 hours, if I saw a retracement from here, like a reversal candle on anything that confirms the a reversal from here, I'll be taking it from here, but it's more safe to be taking it from here. And I'll show you as well. So now regarding this the purple Elliott wave I have talked about, inside of it from wave 4 until 5, if you can spot this yellowish Elliott wave, and we also made the correction waves, the ABC of it. And also I have noticed that it has made a flag here before it continued the bearish movement here. So mainly now, if I went down into the 4-hour time frame, it might be forming here another Elliott wave on lower time frames, but still like not confirmed. This is A, by the way. And we may have like, if they are both on the same level, but at least if this is 0, 1, 2, at least a 2 didn't break the 0 line. So we can still say that it is an Elliott wave, but I'll try it with you to see the retracement. It almost retraced from 1, almost. So I'll check also the Fibonacci extension to see how much this bullish movement have gone to, and we reached 1.618 and then dropped down. So we might call this an Elliott wave, like I'll draw it here for you guys. 0, 1, 2, 3, and this would be 4. And now we're continuing into 5. So if I want to see wave 4, how much it retraced down, we hit at 0.382. So we are confirming this bullish move, like this is gonna be 4 to 5 right now. So if I want to see how much wave 5 is going to, I'll start from 2, moving into 3, and I'll drag to reach wave 4. Mainly, we should be on this area, securing, because this was 1.618. So it retraced 0.382, and now we're going into this area. But first I'll be like, this is gonna be a little scalp. I'll secure here and then I'll leave runners until here. We might be, this is as intraday, okay? This is not a swing trade I'm talking now about. So I'm gonna secure here and leave runners, because as on the higher time frames, we are bullish. So this is gonna be a bullish movement to continue wave B. So this is it for me regarding silver. And if you guys like do investments on like real silver, you're good to go, because we are going bullish big time. So the price of silver will be increasing. Okay, this is it mainly for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Lydia. Thank you so much.